Okay, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? It's a new week, an amazing week for us. So let us come through. Let us join your girl Lena over here. Let us vibe together. It's a new week. It's a Monday. All right. We are taking the month slow but sure. So definitely, we as traders, we have to see that we manage or we make certain things happen. So without wasting any time, let us dive straight into it and we see how today is going to play out. Okay, so here we are ready to roll. Ready to roll. Hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing? Once again, it's your girl Lena over here. How has been your day? How is your Monday going? How is your Monday going? Let me hope it's doing amazing because over here I come through with beautiful energy, beautiful energy. So we should match it, all right? Okay, so we get straight into it. That is binary options trading, and definitely I am using pocket option over here as my platform, and I am on. Sorry about that. Just 1 second. Okay, so I am looking at gold OTC chart over here. As we can see right now, we are in an uptrend. And like I was telling you yesterday, when we are looking at market structure, yesterday I basically emphasized so much about market structure being very, very important for us as traders. If you are using price action, one thing you have to make sure that you know or you learn forcefully, willingly, and all those amazing things. For as long as you are someone who is looking to be profitable in your trading, for someone who is looking to be growing in your trading career, you have to make sure that market structure. Anyways, that for you have to make sure that market structure is your friend over here. So I will keep understanding with you the charts over here. Okay, look at that. Okay, so let me see. Ruth is in the building. Hi, my darling Ruth. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's always good to have you here. It's always good to see you come through and on time. Sanjay, hi. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. So we are getting started. Let's roll into it. Over there we have Jamie. Hi, Jamie. How are you? How are you? How are you? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay. Yes, Ruth, here we are. Let's roll together. Okay, Khaled is in the building. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love such amazing line. I feel loved. I feel appreciated. So thank you so much. And definitely being a lady, why not? Okay, so my lady over there. Hi, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. It has been a while. Hope you're doing great. We have missed you over here. Where have you been? What have you been up to? Fill us in, fill us in. As you can see, for us, we are still here looking at our charts, improving in our trading, becoming better traders. Hope you've been okay. Hope you are strong and fit because we are just getting started, taking it for 2 good hours. So fasten your seatbelts because your girl Lena is in the building, and we have to get it going. Okay, so that is Joshua. Hi, Joshua. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. So we are into it, watching the market, and definitely catching out some amazing entries over here. Yesterday we talked about how we were reading this chart over here. I'm also considering market structure because, like I keep saying, market structure is king, market structure is the backbone. That is where we know that, okay, over here, we are supposed to, at this strong point, this is where we are standing, or this is where our 360 is. Okay, so let us watch it together. Moz, hi Moz, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Let's go. Mm, Making beautiful mistakes in my way. Mm, Making beautiful mistakes. Mhm. Okay, so whenever we are having our chat over here, me as a pure price action trader, that is my strategy. There are things that I always look out for, like I keep telling us, that is market direction. I absolutely and definitely have to identify which direction are we moving in. Am I in an uptrend? Am I in consolidation? Or am I moving in a downtrend? So I have to understand all this before I consider placing in a trade. So as we see over here, we have actually broken structure and we are moving upwards. Okay, so that is a beautiful formed bullish structure over there, and we close in a plus. So for as long as we are in a bullish direction, as you see over there, as long as we have not broken below that point that pushed, that strong point that pushed the previous point to break above, we are definitely still rolling and turning around in the uptrend. Okay, so as you can see over here, we are having those pullbacks but still having a continuation. So when we talk about market structure, these are some of the things that you have to keep looking out for, that you have to keep understanding. And when you are in an uptrend, it's amazing for you to keep trading with a trend. Okay, I know we have those points where we can sell, because when we are in an uptrend, it does not only mean that the buyers are in the market, but we also have a few sellers who are there. So there are those small opportunities that the sellers get, and if you get it properly and you place in your trade, just like right now, if I'm correct about it, I will definitely close in a plus. Okay, so that is it. We keep it going and we keep it interesting. Okay, my lady over there. Hello, my queen. You disappeared on us. We missed you so much, but it's good that you are here with us. Happy to see you. Good to have you in the building. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Together we'll overcome all the disappointments that broke us in the days gone by. Yes, 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 that is very true, Khaled. Let me tell you, when we focus to building the future, when we focus to becoming better people in the future, we shall definitely overcome anything that tried or put us down in the past. So, Khaled, big up to you, big up to you, my brother. Thank you so much for always those beautiful and encouraging words for us. All right. We do appreciate you. Be blessed and stick around for the longest time. Let's go. Let's go. Mm. Mama, 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 yeah. Okay, that is shake. What is your strategy? I use pure price action. That is my strategy, and in my strategy, I look out for just a few things. Our strategy has a lot of things. We have market direction, market structure, candlestick patterns, chart patterns. It's a long, long list, but if we are to consider all those, you find that maybe you might go you might not manage to maintain all of them. So choose a few that you feel you are good at or you will be able to master. Use those, all right? So on my end, I use a strategy that is a price action. Then I look at market direction. I look at the market structure. Then I also consider the candlestick patterns. So, what I always urge my beautiful people over here is to make sure that when we talk about the market structure, take some time off, know exactly what we mean. I will come here and I talk about market structure as when we are moving in an uptrend, for example, we look out for higher highs and the higher lows, but you will find that we are having a lot of higher highs, higher lows, but we definitely have to look out for that higher low that pushed the previous higher high to break structure. So that way we are definitely looking at a market, a continuation, a trend continuation, and hey, we enjoy our buy trades over there. Okay, so these are some of the few things that you have to keep looking out for such that you enjoy the market. The fact that I've mentioned those three collections or those three confluences, it simply means that take time, master them. Because on my end, I took time. When you talk about the market structure, you will find it a bit challenging for you to identify, okay, we are looking at the market structure, we are looking at that major higher low. Which one is the major higher low? And which one is the major higher high? All those you have to learn how to identify them, because anything that happens between the major higher low and the major higher high, that is always we are having pullbacks over there. We are in the state of, you find that we are in the state of consolidation and all that. As long as we have not broken below the previous major higher low, that simply means we are still in that same particular trend, which is an uptrend. For example, right now, as you see our chart over here, so we are in an uptrend and we see it clearly over there. So we have closed in a plus. So let us see how it keeps moving. Baby, baby. For as long as you see the sellers over there, they are fighting so hard to take over the market. Okay, and okay, let us see. But that does not mean that we are in a downtrend. It simply means they are doing their very best to break structure, but the buyers are also still saying we still need it, okay? We still need to enjoy it. So over there, we were in a right position. All right. Ooh, ooh. Oh, Barred is saying that where he is, there is network problem. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. Where did you go? You went for vacation without informing us. Actually, yesterday, no, I think it was the other day, Lekala was looking for you over here. He was asking me, where is my homie? I told him I've taken some time without hearing from you, without seeing you. But it's good that you have managed to join us today. Good to have you. Good to have you. And for everyone who is in the comment section who is watching, I appreciate you guys so, so much. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. So, this is our time where we share a lot. So, as I try to explain the chat over here, like I keep telling you, when even if you are not in the moods of trading and you just come through, you look at this chart, you learn something. You learn something. So yesterday I was trying to test out something. Learning never ends. It never ends. However much you see that, okay, Lena gets the entries, things look good and all that, you still find that I'm also still seeking more knowledge. I'm still seeking more knowledge. So yesterday I was trying to do something and I reached a point where I was like, but you know what? I think what I'm thinking about, let me just drop it and I just look at my charts here. And the way these charts move, it's actually so interesting. It's so interesting. So the more you keep looking at them, the more you keep analyzing them, it gives you that there is some knowledge that you keep adding to yourself. Okay. So that is one thing that I can urge you. But most importantly, do your very best to make sure that you learn market structure. Make it a point to understand it. Make it a point to understand it. Okay. Then also the way the different candles behave helps a lot. Be there for you. Okay. I'm telling you, Khaled, that is very, very true. That is very, very true. Okay. I love it. I love it. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Okay, that is core 16. I didn't know how to pronounce your name. I'm requesting at some point maybe send me a name. Um, Send me a name that I could be calling you because I don't know. Should I be just calling you Ko? I don't know, but I appreciate you. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always joining. Yoga Lena over here. Okay, so over there, let me see. Slayman, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Okay, so over there we are having Carlos. Hi, Carlos, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing great. It's so beautiful to see you always take time and join in. Thank you so, so much. Let's go. Godfrey, how you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. That is a taxi. Okay, taxi is saying, be careful. I do not know what we are being warned about. Let us know. Let us know. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Cool. Thank you so much. I wish we, at least at some point, we would have that time where everyone would be on my screen and I'll be able to see you. Such that I get that chance and that opportunity to see the people I keep chatting with, you know? Why? Come on, come on, come on. Okay. That is Benan. Hi Benan, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining us. It's an amazing day. It's a Monday. Hope you are enjoying your day like your girl Lena over here. Okay, I'm seeing that is Tradu. That is Tradu. Hi, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. It's your girl over here. It's your girl Lena over here. And good to have you. Good to have you, my beautiful family people. This is a beautiful audience, and I love it when I see you guys turn up in big numbers. It gives me the courage that it motivates me to keep going. So for the new ones, you are in the right place. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it rolling. Come on, come on, come on. Darlington. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you over here. Thank you for joining in. Okay. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? Okay, that is a plus over there. That is Zitha. Hi, Zitha. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's been a while. Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so we are here and we are purposely here for educational purposes, learning purposes. So if you have something that you would love to know, something that you would love to inquire about, let me know. You don't know. You don't know. That is a tradu over there. What's the breakdown of the strategy? Okay, so for the strategy, I'm basically looking at three things. Basically, I'm looking at three things that I consider so much. When these three are in place, then I can place in my trade. All right, I can enter into the market. So for my strategy, it has very, very many confluences, but I came down and chose just three, which is the market direction. Definitely, you have to okay, you have to know what direction the market is moving in. Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Are we in consolidation? You have to identify that. You have to know that, okay? And when you know that, we come to the market structure. When we are in talking about or dealing with the market structure, we definitely look at in an uptrend, we look at the higher highs and the higher lows. But when we are looking at the higher highs and the higher lows, we are definitely looking at the major higher highs and the major higher lows. So when we talk about the major higher lows, definitely we are looking at that point which that um, sorry about that. We are looking at that major point that pushes the previous major higher high to break structure. That is in an uptrend. So when we break structure, anticipate we anticipate a pullback. If you are someone who knows how to trade using a pullback, that is a time for you. You are supposed to enter into the market and cash out some beautiful profits, all right? Then, if you are someone who is going to trade using trend continuation, like I keep telling you, that if we are in an uptrend, we trade with a trend. So if we are after the pullback, definitely one thing you have to expect is a continuation in that particular trend that we are in, unless otherwise, which is on a rare case that we are going to break below. Okay, so that is with an uptrend, and when we look at the downtrend, it's the same thing. We look at that major lower high that pushes the previous major lower low to break a structure. When we break structure, we are looking at pullbacks over there, and there we can enjoy those entries if we know how to trade at a pullback. If you do not know, then let us wait for the trend to pick up. We continue trading. All right. So that is with the market structure. Then we also have the candlestick patterns. How we look at these candles, how they behave, how we can navigate around them, because at the end of the day, when we are looking at the market structure, it's these different candles that are forming the higher highs and the higher lows. So you definitely have to identify and know, okay, right now I'm having an engulfing candle, I expect this. I'm seeing Marabuzo candle, I'm expecting this. I'm seeing we are having a rejection over here. Momentum is good. So all those things you have to look at them when I talk about my confluences, all right? So when these three are in place, what are you waiting for? You are looking at your market direction, it's good. You are with your market structure, you're having maybe a bullish structure. What are you waiting for? The candles definitely give you that clear picture of, hey, here we are, and we are having a beautiful momentum, a beautiful bullish momentum. What are you waiting for? So when all those three are in place and they're giving you the same clear picture, make it happen. All right, make sure that you get or you milk out what you have to milk out and then get out. The other point is, when we are trading and you are in a situation where you do not understand what is the market doing, something is not clear to you, it's very okay, very right to sit back, wait for the market to give you something that you understand or something that aligns with your strategy, then trade. Do not see every opportunity and go for it. Some opportunities might end up being traps, all right? It might end up maybe to be a fake breakout. Over there, as you there, we have different spikes and all that. You end up closing in a loss. When we talk about binary options trading, one thing I'm going to tell you, we have very, very many opportunities in the market. Very, very many opportunities in the market. It's up to you to know when exactly to enter, get what you have to get, sit back and watch. Okay, so that is one thing I can tell you about my strategy. Then as you look at my chart over here, I have the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. On my end, when I have those three confluences that I've told you about, which is the market direction, market structure, and the candlestick pattern, I can place in my trades and get some profits out of it. All right. So you will ask yourself, if that is what she does, how come she has an indicator over here, or we are seeing an indicator? For the indicator, I cannot say that I do not need it. Okay, it backs up my strategy. If I have that, then I also add on my indicator. Things become quite easy because the indicator definitely helps me identify. It helps me actually confirm that particular direction that I'm looking at. Am I really in an uptrend? Am I in consolidation? Or am I in a downtrend? It helps me so much. Then it also gives me, or it helps me on identifying that strong trend. Like right now, we are definitely having that strong downward trend. Okay, so I see it definitely when I'm using my alligator indicator and the MACD as well. Mm, Rewind. Rewind stories. Okay, so over there, I see my beautiful, perfect deep sleep Polly. Hi, my dear, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you. How is your day going? How is your new week start? How is it? What do you have in store? What have you prepared? How are you planning on running your week? All right. So good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Let us keep it going. Is there good to love? Who's good to love me? Nothing matter, what's the matter with you? Okay, so let us proceed. Let us proceed. For all the doors that have been closed in our faces, we will fight until we reach the top. Yay! I'm telling you, I have you guys. I reached. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. In your Telegram, you teach how to use this strategy. I've given some bits about it. I've given some bits about it. I've given some bits about it. We are locked in for the week. We are locked in. That's beautiful. That's amazing. So, if we are locked in, then let us keep it rolling. Okay, so Nori, hi Nori, how are you, my darling? How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you guys. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming through. Thank you for your amazing participation. I really do appreciate it so much. So as we are here, we keep going. We are, as you can see, we are in consolidation over there. We are in consolidation. So over there, definitely you plus in your trade if you are sure that you know how to trade in consolidation or in sideway market. Okay. But why the rush? Like I said, we have very many opportunities for us to make money. So why risk your money in consolidation unless you are sure you know how to go about it that way? But if you're just not yet clear about it, give it time. Don't rush it. Okay, so over there you are seeing that is the list for the donations. Let us see how today's donation is going to go. That is the list for our first participants. Okay, Smart Info. Hi, Smart Info. How you doing? Thank you for the compliment. You guys, you're making me walk on my toes. Let's go. Oh, good. I'll run away. Okay, so that is 2000 for Oslave. Hi, Oslave, how you doing? It has been a while. Good to have you. Good to have you. Today you are our first participant in the donations. Let's go. It's a new week. Let us see. We are definitely positively vibing. Let us see how we milk this market today. Thursday. Your tears for another day. Save your tears for another day. I know you are. Don't wanna stay. Save your tears for another day. Okay, just waiting for the great opportunity for me to dive into the market. Okay. Save your tears for another day. Okay, so we are definitely. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Congratulations! Tears for another day. Tears for another day. My fire. Okay, Shake is saying your stream is delayed. Back to you. I want it that way. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I never wanna be. Okay, so that is a plus for or slave. Next we are having that is Mateo, 350 US dollars, 3 attempts. I want it that way. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. That is a buy for us. Remember, in binary options, what we focus on is the expiration time. Beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. When we place in a trade, I give it 15 seconds, all right? So when it closes, I definitely meet my fate. It's either a plus or a loss, all right? There is nothing like a stop loss or a take profit. No, no, we do not have that here. It's basically and 100% time expiry. That is what I look out for. So that simply means the fact that it's that I have to place in my entries carefully and well calculated. Lee Seven, hi Lee Seven, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you over here. I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Okay, so as Khaled sent in the beautiful words, the amazing words for us, words of encouragement, I definitely believe for the very best this week. I believe that you and me, we are achievers in this week. Let us see improvements where we have been delayed, all right? Let us see that at least we acquire knowledge, we become better traders, we improve ourselves in all corners of trading because the one thing that truth be told that gives us the courage that keeps us going, that pushes us forward is us to see that okay, last week I had these challenges, but this week things are moving better. All right, so we believe for that. Let's see how it's all going to play out, but let us keep our fingers crossed for positivity, for wins. All right, and definitely improvements where we have been lagging behind. Yay! That is our third attempt. Congratulations. That is for Mattel over there. Definitely, I am looking at congratulations over there. Congratulations, congratulations. That was our second participant, and we have closing applause. Boy, you're the queen. Baby, that's why. Make me wanna fall, surrender my soul. Mm. Thank you, perfect. Thank you. Oh. Excuse me. Oh. Surrender my soul. Ethereum wallets. Make me wanna hold you to the morning light. Simon. Hi Simon, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Okay, so that is a shake. Why you don't take a trade 1 minute? We as traders, in most cases, we have our preferences, right? Probably maybe for you, you would prefer trading at 1 minute. I prefer trading at 15 seconds. Yeah, 15, 30, around there. So that is my preference. So we are looking at 1,800 as our take profit. Ah. The reason as to why I placed in my buy position over there, it's because when the sellers dragged the market down, they did not reach, or they did not cross over, they did not go below, they did not break structure of the previous major higher low, all right? So when the sellers were in the market, I obviously anticipated that the buyers were going to take over. Though at times you find that actually it might just proceed down, but before we have broken structure, you definitely have to know, or you anticipate a continuation, which actually happened. I placed in the buy position and we closed in a plus. All right. Oh, oh. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is a plus for us. Woman that I love. Oh, mysterious girl. The addiction to watching these candles is enough to make you forget even the name of that false. Oh my God, Khaled, you're going to kill me. You're going to kill me. Really, really, really. Anyways, you are right. Having something like this, something that is so amazing and something that you have mastered a skill for, it even makes you forget all the evil things, all the bad things that happened in your life. So you're very, very right about that. I agree with you. Hi Jimmy, how you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Over here, we are into our donations already. We are dancing to the tunes of the market, but for as long as you know how to go about it, you definitely, definitely, definitely close in a plus. So mastering and getting the skill is one thing that we are looking out for over here. Okay, so that is Dalmas. Hi, Dalmas. How you doing? Hope you good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. That is GDK. Hi, GDK. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Let's go. Okay, that is Coco. Hi, Coco. How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Bitcoin wallets, and we have closed in a plus. Congratulations. We don't need anymore. Rah, 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 2, 4. Okay, so Duck over there. Hi, Duck. Thank you so much for your continued send in the of the donations. So that is 1,500. One items. Today, guys are so strategic. Guys are so calculative. One, two, four. No, no, as we don't get. We're gonna keep it on going till we can't go no more. We're gonna ride, 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 ride till we fall. Yeah, when we hit the ground, we go down, climb to the top and you go. We could be the greatest ones who never lived. Yeah, I could be talking to they try to hate me, but we won't change anything. We gotta ride till we fall. Okay. Yeah. It's a new week and we definitely expect beautiful vibe, beautiful energy. Thank you guys for coming through. So let us get it started. 15 seconds. Any more? Why not be happy? Why not be happy? It's a beautiful day. La, 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 34. Oh goodness, here we are. Yes, like I know you should. Okay. That is a plus for me. Look at that. Congratulations. That goes to Duck. Congratulations. You got love today. Young, young, dumb and blue. Young, young, dumb and blue. Young, young, dumb and blue. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. Okay. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. Marching come in. We argue all the time. Okay, thank you so much, Khaled. I really do appreciate you. We keep it positive and we keep it going. Okay, so that is Dalmas. Hi, Dalmas, once again. Good to have you in the building. So, for my candle expiration time, that is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. High school kids. That is void, 350 US dollars. Take profit, we are looking at 1,800. Okay, so we are still driving it up in our uptrend. Okay. We are mastering the skill, guys. We are mastering the skill. So let us keep it going. And today, in my observation, the market is quite calm. The market is quite calm. So that way, you definitely identify those beautiful and amazing entries, and you can never go wrong. Young Bamboo High School kids. Young Bamboo High School kids. Okay, let us proceed. Let us proceed. Hi, Kashan. Hope you're good. Hope you are doing great. We had that same discussion last time. Okay. And I believe I explained to you all you needed to know. Everyone does things differently, and on my end, the way I explained to you last time, that's how I do my things. Okay, let's go. Why not? Why not? Why not? I remember people who come here. I remember the people that I talk to. Don't mind. But anyways, I might be crazy. Do not mind me. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now I bet you smell like you. Everything's covered, something brown. Okay, so that is for our first attempt. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Everything is covered. Something bright. I'm in love with the shape of you. Weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing. Okay, so over there I'm seeing Sonico. Hi, how you doing? Thank you for coming through. It's good to have you. It's good to have you. Thank you for joining. It's your girl Lena over here. It's your girl Lena over here. We are so happy to have you in the building right about now. What you are seeing over here, it is binary options trading, and my platform is Pocket Option. All right, I'm using Pocket Option Broker. Trading binary options, like I said earlier on before. So that is it. The chart that you're seeing over there is gold OTC chart. Okay, and right about now, I come through for 2 hours. That is every day I come through. So what happens is the first hour, that is when I chat with you guys. We talk here and there, we go through our trading challenges, we get some tips here and there, we acquire some experiences because we keep sharing. It is a learning platform. Generally it is a learning session, it is a learning live stream. So we come here to get some knowledge on trading, get tips, and then also see what other people are going through as traders, what they're experiencing, what they've overcome, the different challenges. They could be different, but even you on your end, you could be learning something out of it. Okay. Then we also have this session that we are having right now, which is the donations session. This is something that you do willingly, something that you could choose to be like, okay, Lena, as I'm learning, maybe you could as well trade for me. So that is it with our donations. The pocket options link is in my description over there. Then also the donations link is over there. The Telegram link is there too. So we can chat, right? We can chat and we see, but it's good to have you. It's good to have you in the building. Let's go. Okay, so that was Sony Power. Then we have Smart Info. Okay, so that is Smart Info. I'm new here. How can I set my settings to run the same as yours, since my candles are ahead of yours? What happens? What happens is that I'm having a YouTube time lag. So you find that you guys are some seconds ahead of me and I am behind you. So what does that mean? It simply means that you and me, we cannot trade at the same time, all right? We cannot trade at the same time. So that's what's up. That's what happens. That time lag prevents us from trading at the same time. Hi Majid, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Do I okay? Where I'm with my baby, yeah. When I'm with my baby, yeah. Okay, so over there, I'm seeing that is John Baker. Does pocket options actually pay out to winning traders? Have you had problems with withdrawals? One thing I can tell you with the withdrawals, it's all about you following the terms and conditions that are given, and then withdrawing will not be a problem. Okay, for as long as you follow the withdrawal terms and conditions that are given to you, then no problems at all. All the bad things disappear. Maybe I am somebody. Hey Majid, how have you been? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you around. How have you been? When I'm with my baby. That is Tohid. Hi Tohid, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, we are looking at a take profit of 1,200. Let me know your story. See what you're going through. Yeah. It's enough to keep blind. And I'm feeling sorry. But I know it will come to you. Yeah. Don't surrender. Cause you can win in this thing. When you want Kashan. Oh, so sorry about that. That was on our second attempt, and we have closed in our loss. Kashan, why are you afraid of me? Why are you afraid of me? When you question me for a simple answer, I don't know what to say. No. That is visual. Whenever I see someone talking about gambling, in me, I ask myself whether this person is informed or not informed, right? When I talk about binary options trading, I'm not talking about crypto trading. I'm not talking about forex trading or any other trading. This you visual know very well that it's a short-term trade. More so when we talk about binary options, you know what comes to your mind. Unless you are uninformed, that is when you stand and start talking about gambling, all right? But for someone who is informed, you know very well that you have to have a skill to trade binary options. Just like any other tradings, you need to have a skill. So please first find out what you need to know about binary options. Then that way you can come through and we talk trading, all right? Okay, over there we have your dove. Hi, your dove. How you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you for yet another session today. Kashan, by the way, you look gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Kashan is asking me, are you single? Oh, goodness. What an interesting question. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. Even for the new ones that come through, they are definitely guided because at the end of the day, we trade and we have risk management. For someone who will call it gambling, that simply means that you have no knowledge about risk management, you do not have a strategy of trading, and you do not have a trading plan because those are some of the things that guide someone who is a beginner. Okay, so when you it's good that you've actually said that for the beginners. Thank you so much for the concern, and that is actually how we learn, that is how we improve ourselves. Okay, but the thing is, the fact that it is a learning session, it is entirely for education purposes. We come here to acquire knowledge. We come here to improve ourselves, how we trade and all that. So that simply means that definitely for someone who is a beginner, I guide them through what to do, not just to go into the market, guest trading. Okay, so but thank you so much. So we are taking it for just 2 attempts. You can use me. It's a lie, it's a lie. Break your heart. Looking like an angel, but you're savage, Lord. When you kiss me, I know you don't get too far. That is true. That is true. Perfect. Deep sleep, Polly. That is very, very true. When you have the information, you have the skill, you have a strategy that you are using, it ceases to being like it is not gambling. Someone who is gambling is someone who does not know what they are doing and they are just guessing. But hey, over here, we know exactly what we have to do. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So congratulations. That is to Lucan. But you wanna say no, what do you mean? Hey, yeah. When you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go, what do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Since you're running out of time, what do you mean? Oh, 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 what do you mean? Better make up your mind, what do you mean? You're so indecisive, what I'm saying. Trying to catch the beat, make up your heart. Don't know if you're happy or complaining. Don't want for us to win, where do I start? First you wanna go to the left, then you wanna turn right. John Baker. Hi, how are you? Hope you're good. That is Adawo UK. Ooh, okay. We are taking it for that is 4 atoms. What do you mean? Better make up your mind. What do you mean? You're protective when I'm leaving. Trying to compromise, but I can't win. You wanna make a point, but that is a plus for us. Let's see, let's see, let's see. You wanna go to the left, and you wanna turn right. Wanna argue all day, make a love all night. Push it up, then down, and in between. Oh, I really wanna know, what do you mean? When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no, what do you mean? When you don't want me to move, you tell me to go, what do you mean? Oof, we are breaking below. Nope. That is beautiful. The buyers fought for their rights. They fought for their rights in the market, so we ended up closing in a win. Why you there? What do you mean? Did she say? Oof, 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 oof. This was not seen coming. Oh dear. That is for Adawo. So sorry about that, my dear. So let me in, you got the chance to really be your man. Cause when the roof caved in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so long, time to anything beyond. So tell me, girl, what say? That is 800 US dollars for 3 items. Silvano. What say? Knowing that I let our love go. And ooh, what I do, one chance, I just gotta let you know. I know what I did wasn't clever, but me and you were meant to be together. So let me in, give me another chance to be your man. Cause when the proof came in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so okay. 2 more items to go. Oh, Simon. Okay. Oof, made a loss over there. What is happening? The market was amazing. 2 in a row. I do not like that at all. Yeah, Dove. Okay, we are seeing Simon over here. Good night, Miss Lena. I hope you can have my time tomorrow since today is a busy moment for you. What do you mean? What do you mean? You came through, I sent you greetings, I acknowledged you, so I do not understand what you mean by this message that you just sent in. Anyways, thank you for coming through. It's always good to have you around. It's always good to have you around. Okay, so over there we have Stephen. Hi, Stephen. How you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing great. How are my people of Tanzania doing? Good to have you. Good to have you. I'm doing good. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. How about you? How is your new week? How is your new week going? What are your trading plans? What do you have in mind? Time is going. Time is going. Remember, do you know that in a blink of an eye like this, we shall see that the year is coming to an end? I was telling my people over here that the way this year is rushing, the next time you hear we are going to be singing Christmas songs. Yet we've actually just come out of that season, but very soon, with the way time is rushing, we are going to be in it again. Okay, 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 Stephen, I see you over there. Big up to you and God bless you. God bless you. May you achieve that. Okay. Okay, Khaled. Lena, don't tire yourself out too much. You deserve a rest too. Oh, goodness. That is very, very true. Okay. That is very true. That is very, very true. We all need to be in a positive environment. Where is Vito? Vito, I've not seen him today. I've not seen him today. Okay, so over there, perfect deep sleep. Poly market spiking out of control, not obeying. I'm telling you. Earlier on, everything seemed perfect. The market was calm, but now it is giving me another side of itself. But we shall manage. Lena, I bought chocolate and flowers for you. Thank you, Kashan. Thank you so much. I appreciate them. They are well received. Okay, guys, we are proceeding with our participants. That is true. That is very true, Khaled. Okay, so Dalmas is saying change to silver OTC. It's stable. Okay. All right. Okay. We are taking it for 2 items. That is for Frederick. Oh dear.
Let me tell you how it happened. I wasn't looking for someone that night. I was never a believer, but you could fall in love at the first sight. But all of a sudden, got lost in the moment. All of a sudden, she's gone. I never was looking. I've been looking for the rest of my life.
Hi Salah, hi, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you around. Good to have you. Okay, so for the change of that of the pair, I will have it changed tomorrow actually. Since I'm almost done with the donations, let us just watch carefully and we see. Capture the look in your eyes. It's only a matter of time before it starts fading. Okay, so there we have a plus that is for a brunette. Congratulations. I didn't want to catch a feeling. There was something in that fashion. Right then all of a sudden, got lost in the moment. All of a sudden, she's on the bed. I never was looking. I've been looking for the rest of my life. You took a Polaroid, you signed your name upon it. I put it in my wallet, hoping I see your face again. You took a Polaroid, captured the look in your eyes. It's only a matter of time before it starts fading. We took a Polaroid, you signed your name upon it. I put it in my wallet, hoping I see your face again. We took a Polaroid, captured the look in your eyes. It's only a matter of time before it starts fading. We took a Polaroid. Okay, so we are in for Tobias. Okay, so Tobias over there, that is 350. We are looking at a take profit of 1,200. Okay. That is our first attempt, but remember we are looking at a take profit of 1,200. Let us place in a sell over here. You know, at some point you place in shades over here and then they close in a dramatic way, and you also see it and you are like, if we went any seconds further, I was definitely closing in a loss. Okay. Crazy, crazy. Okay, so that is for Tobias.
And oh, you and I, we're about to make some memories tonight. I wanna live while we're young. We wanna live while we're young. Let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend it's love.
Okay.
Never, never, never stop for anyone. Tonight, let's get some.
And while we
Crazy, crazy, crazy till we
are.
see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend it's love. Never, never, never stop for anyone. Tonight, let's get some.
And while we are. Okay, that is Zaid. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind participation. I definitely appreciate you. Okay.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. Sorry if it's all too much. Every day you're here, I'm healing. I was running out of love. I never thought I'd find this feeling. I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. Every melody is timeless. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, you're gone, I'm feeling complete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony. You're so on the radio. Symphony. We hold me tight and not let go.
Okay, we get into it. That is a consolidation state. And I did not. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Okay. I did not change that. Look at how crazy that is. Okay. Let's go with a buy position over here. After that, a consolidation. So the market has identified where to go. Yeah. Okay, that is our first attempt. And this is our last password for the donations actually. Keep playing this with my heart, my heart. I should have known from the start. My heart, I live my life the way you coming back to me. Everything I do is for you. So what is it that you can't see? Sometimes I wish I could turn back time. Okay, we are not doing bad at all. Not at all, not at all. So three more attempts to go. Excuse me. My heart. I should go from the song. Hey. That is our third attempt. Let us see it. See more to go. I always love it when I close in a plus for my donations. So give me a plus. Yeah. Okay, so just one more to go. Okay. The buyers should be active in this particular moment because I need to close in a plus. All right. Okay. Look at that. So beautiful, so amazing. So happy about that. Congratulations to my beautiful people who have walked away with pluses, who have walked away with profits. And for those that have closed in a loss, my sincere apologies. But today might be bad. Tomorrow will definitely be better. So we keep it positive and we keep it going. So that is it for the donations today and for my session as well. It was a beautiful Monday, joining in with you guys, enjoying my time with you guys. I appreciate you so much and I love you so much. like and subscribe. Definitely hit that like button for me and subscribe. Leave a comment as well. So that is it for today. Bye bye. It's a good life. No, we must know we alright. Eh, eh,
Hey, man, I got
eh,
you.
eh,
Yeah,
eh.
and it's a feeling that I can't explain. How you make it in your team still